I'm gonna go. I'm at a temple. Let's check it out. Temple map. Coins in the rope. This guy's loud. Somewhere up there. There's a lot going on here, and I don't understand most of it. This is gonna be a Zen peaceful video. I'm in like a temple complex area. Now I'm headed up to see a big statue, and then I think there's a cave. I'm headed up to this guy. Sub. It's warm. Don't know what this is. Looks pretty cool though. Empty. I think I'm lost. No way. Change of plan. I want to go to the statue behind me, but I found the cave entrance, the tunnel. And it's just right there. I think the stairs for the statue are over there anyway. So I'm just gonna go through the tunnel and then back up that way. But look at this. This is so cool. Wow. So dark. Spooky. I feel like I'm gonna slip. My stomach. What's up, my guy? Ooh. Money. And a statue. There's more statues. I feel like it's kind of eerie, a little bit spooky. Echo. This tunnel's long. What's up? Hello. Super cool, but kind of eerie. What is this? Oh, it's more. What the heck? Who is this? This is like a scary movie at this point. I'm gonna go. Oh, is this stairs? I almost tripped. Wow. Kind of creepy. But if that's your thing, you do you. Nature. I'm trying to get up here to the statue. I think this is the path. I don't know if this is the path. Hold up. This building looks abandoned. Glad I'm not here at nighttime. Into the bushes. Oh, a cup. Or a vase. Mini vase. I should have wore like mosquito repellent. Ooh, shit. Big bug. I think I'm just jumpy because of the cave. Oh, there's a spider web. Definitely off the beaten path. Interesting temple area, a lot going on. And a big statue on the mountain. It's kind of got it all, honestly. And a hike? Whew. Spicy, spicy, hot, hot. Okay, I don't know where I am. I'm gonna head up still. How can I miss a big statue? I don't get it. This seems like the right direction. Thank God I'm not doing this at night. This temple area is open 24/7, but I'd highly recommend coming during the day. And I think the super cool, interesting tunnel closes at 4:30, 8:30 to 4:30. So, daytime. What's up, my guys? I made it. Oh, let's get the front of him. My guy. The city. The statue. Yeah, this temple, definitely the most interesting. Most interesting. Pretty big. Now I gotta go down. I'm gonna try to go down this way. Different than the way I came up. We'll see where I pop out. Did I mention it's hot? It's 95 degrees, I think. 100% humidity. That's been cut. This looks like a path. Maybe a hike with a view. Oh, cicada. Are there snakes in Japan? So green. Pine cones. Basically bushwhacking right now. This temple experience, not for everyone. Not for everyone. Yeah. Wow. Sup? Little tired guy. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Oh.